Southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Tulsa County in southeastern Oklahoma until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Caddo, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and tennis ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Caddo, Boxito, Bennington, Caney, and Connecticut. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Until 1